Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about installing and setting up the Canon MAXIFY GX7120 printer software onto your computer. So whether it's a Windows, Mac, or Linux device, in today's tutorial I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, and you want to search for Canon MAXIFY GX7120 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be a Canon domain here. This is MegaTank GX7120X. Go ahead and select that. Get it directly from Canon. So on this page, you can view different information like wireless help, so like basically help articles. If you want to register your product, you can do that too. Go underneath wireless help, and then select where it says Wi-Fi printing. Click the drop down there, and then select where it says wireless setup on Windows computers. And then scroll down. Where it says download and run the setup file, select where it says get the setup file, and just give us a moment here. You should see it says GX7120 setup at the top. Select the download button, and then you can select open. And then you go through the Microsoft Store here and select the get button, and then you'd be able to install the printer software. And then select open. You can select these other options here for tracking information, but you do have to check mark the option to agree to the license agreement up at the top. Then select OK. Select OK again. Select next. And then you go select the Setup Now button to connect to your printer. And then this will walk you through the on-screen prompts of connecting to your printer. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.